지안이와 리원이와 주원이의 9단계 공개 수업을 진행하게 되었습니다. 우리 친구들이 그동안 배운 지식을 PPT로 만들어가지고 발표하는 시간과 그리고 아이들이 영어로 순차 통역하는 시간을 가져보도록 하겠습니다. 친구들이 너무 떨릴 것 같은데 먼저 지안이의 발표를 시작해보도록 하겠습니다. 박수로 응원해주세요.
Hello, my name is Jia. From now on, I will tell you about the bone. Please listen carefully. Bone is a hard cell that's supporting our body. Baby has 300 bone and adult have 206 bone. When the baby grew up, the small pieces of the bone joined together and became one strong big bone. Because small pieces of the bone cannot protect our whole body, and this all bone together is called skeleton. Women have smaller and lighter bones than men. In ancient, women have to hide from the beast, so it has smaller bones, and men have to harm the beast, so it have bigger bone. But look at this picture. Left is the man's hip bone, and right is the woman's hip bone. Women have bigger hip bones because big hip bone is easy to give a birth. Bone is important because they protect our organ. Like rib. Rib looks like a cage, and this cage protects heart, lungs, and stomach. And scar protect important organs, brain. Scar is separated by many pieces, so we can't think how can possible to protect safety. But each bone have many joints, so it can protect safety. And also, bone make blood. Inside of the bone, there's a red bone marrow, and red bone marrow contains special cells that named hematopoietic, and this special cell make 5 million blood cells every day. We can say stirrup bone is an old bone because it is small, like 0.25 centimeter long. It is in our each ear, and it have to hear the sounds. And biggest bone is the femur. Femur is in our side, and looks like a pipe inside. Looks like a pipe. It is big and long, so we can't think it is very strong. But inside there is a big hole, so it breaks easily. And fibula is in our curve. It is similar to femur, but is separated by two pieces of the bone. And joint. Joint have to bend our arm and leg. Our each bone have joint, and we can bend our bones because we have a joint. We have many joints in our finger because finger have to move in detail, like we should button our shirt and we should tie our shoe. And osteoarthritis is a joint disease. When we have this disease, cartilage wear and tear.
Tear?
Tear.
No, tear. Torn is actually torn. Cartilage can be torn. Cartilage can be torn.
Can be torn.
Torn. Tear, tornya. So torn can be torn.
Can be torn.
찢어질 수 있다고.
Yeah.
Right, okay? It can be worn out.
Yes. And swimming is easy on the joint because swimming has buoyancy, and this buoyancy have to reduce the weight and the burden is reduced. And we should be healthier by improving our lifestyle habit, like don't cross our leg, and we should do a surgery like arthroplasty. Arthroplasty is put out the wear and tore cartridge and put the artificial cartridge. And osteoporosis is bone disease. Look at this picture. Left is a healthy bone. Healthy bone has more hole, but when we have osteoporosis, we get a bigger hole, so it can break easily. and we can have fracture when we bend seriously, then we should go to the hospital and we should puzzle the bone. And anchovy make healthy bone. Anchovy have rich vitamin D and it will make bone harder. And also green vegetable have vitamin K and calcium. This calcium make bone nutrient. When the baby bone grow up, they join together and became a strong one bone. Then when we join and trust each other, we will be stronger. Thank you.
그다음에 예원이 해볼까요? 앞에 조금 더 살게요.
Hello, my name is Leon. I will tell you about the hand and feet and nail. Please listen carefully. First, I will tell you about the hand. Hand have a finger and thumb, and the three join in each finger. They are here and here and here, and the finger is long, so the finger can do some tiny things such as the button our shirts. And the feet have 5 toes in each feet, and feet pick up and hold too. And the toes is small, but it is very strong, so we can do jump, learn, and walk too. And think about if you don't have a hand and feet, it is very inconvenient because we can walk and we can ride and we can move freely. So people make a low hand and feet, but a long time ago there are no low hand and feet, so they use the artificial hand. Artificial hand is look like a real hand, but we can move freely, so it is inconvenient
And uncomfortable.
and uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable. Inconvenience means actually 불편한, 그러니까 편리성이 없는 거. And uncomfortable, 불편한 거. So both actually. Okay?
네. And when we move our hand and feet, then our brain sends the electric signal to the nerve. Like this reason, we can move our lower hand and feet like same reason. And I will tell you about the 3 kinds of sign language, but before then I will tell you about what is the sign language. Sign language is made for some people can hear at top and hear, so it is very convenient to them. And first, when we want to say hello, then we use this. And when we want to say thank you, and we use this. And when we want to say sorry, then we use this. And the sign language is different to the country. And look in your hand, then you can see the nail. The nail is made of the keratin. Keratin is a hardened cell, and when you look your nail, then you can see the white thing. That is the hormone name of lunula. When the lunula is big, then that means you're very healthy, because when the lunula is big, then your blood circulation going well. And if we don't, what happens if we don't clip our nail? Then we can get an infection, because under the nail there are so many viruses, so it is too easy to get the infection, and it can tear very easy, because when the nail became long, then there became a weak, so it can tear very easy. And we can scratch our body or face, because we use our hand when we wash our body. And it is also inconvenient, because, for example, it is very inconvenient to take off the clothes and typing the computer. Then how can we take care of the nail? First, wash your hands very clean. It is very basic, but it is very important thing. And we have to clean our nail though 1 time 1 week. And eat some meat, fish, and the peanut. But the peanut is very good to the nail cell. And the animal have also nail. I will tell about the 2 kinds of animal nail. First, bear. Bear use their nail to the dig and catch some animal, and it is depends on the species. First, gray bear. Gray bear is long and hard because they have to dig the soil. And the black bear is little but sharp.
Black bear has.
Black bear hand is
is를 빼야지. 가지고 있다.
black bear hands long and little and sharp because they have to climb the tree. And polar bear hand is
has 가지고 있다고. 이런 네일을 가지고 있다고. Polar bear has
long and sharp because they have to work in the ice and they have to catch some animal. About the octopus. Octopus no bone. That means the octopus have no nail. But when you see the octopus hand, you can see the sucker. They use the sucker to moving or stay one place. And I will tell about the pumice tree. I will tell about the 3 kinds of we can be the rich. When you have like an pumice tree, you can be rich. And when you have a pork like this, then you can be the rich too. And last 3, when you have a straight pumice tree, you can be also rich too. Don't forget something tiny thing, your hand and physics, but it is very important thing to someone, so don't forget it. Thank you.
Alright.
주원이 해볼게요. 오세요.
이렇게 이쪽으로 더 올게요. 자, 이렇게.
Hello, my name is Jun. I will tell you about the sun and solar system. Please listen carefully. Sun. Sun is our favorite star, and the sun is the middle of the solar system. And the sun is a medium size in the universe. There are many stars bigger than the sun. There is red supergiant and stable sun 2-80 and hypergiant. And the sun is 1,300 kilometer wide, and the sun is 5,000 to 50 million degrees Celsius. The red color is 3,200 degrees Celsius, and yellow is 5,500 degrees Celsius, and orange is 7,000 degrees Celsius, and white is 1 million degrees Celsius, and blue is more than 30 million degrees Celsius. And I will tell you about why the sun shines. Sun shines because from the hydrogen fusion, when the 4 hydrogen nuclear into 1 helium nuclear, and it make a very strong energy, so it is shine. Size, when the sun is empty and we will feel the earth, and we need a million earths. This big ball is the sun, and this is the earth. The solar system. In the solar system, there are 8 planets and 135 moons and many asteroids.
Mercury needs 88 days to orbit the Sun. It is most short time to orbit the Sun in the solar system. And Mercury and Venus have no moons. And Venus needs 243 days for the rotation, and the Venus is hottest planet because Venus has many carbon dioxide, so it is hot. And the carbon dioxide keep the heat, so Venus is hottest planet. Earth is our favorite planet. In Earth, there are water and air, so we can live. In Mars, there is a trace of ancient river. This is the trace of ancient river, but it is the scientists misunderstand. In Mars, there are many sandstones, and the trace of ancient river formed by sandstone. And Mars have a moon. Mars moon is Phobos and Deimos. Jupiter is biggest planet in the solar system, and Jupiter is 1,300 times volume of the Earth. The Saturn. When we see the Saturn have a very beautiful leaf, and it looks like a plate. It made of the stone and ice. And the Saturn and Jupiter have moons because Saturn and Jupiter is big, so it have a very strong gravity. And Uranus is special because Uranus spin on its side. And a long time ago, Uranus crashed with the icy moon, so Uranus is tilted. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system, and because it is farthest planet from the sun. And Neptune is 280 degrees Celsius below zero. And Pluto is kicked out from the solar system. It has some reason. And the Pluto is smaller than the Earth's moon, and the Pluto's orbit is odd. This is the other planet's orbit, and this is the Pluto's orbit. Pluto's orbit are tilted. Asteroid in the solar system, and the asteroid is made of the small asteroid have different size and shape. In a long time ago, the Earth crashed with the very big asteroid, so the Earth's dinosaur is all dead. And the meteorite is some asteroid crashed with the planet, and it is meteorite. And the shooting star is when the shooting star is made of the small dust, and the small dust come into the earth, and it will hit the air. So it is shines. So we say the shooting star. Can we live in a space? Some people say we can live in a Mars, but some people say we can't live in a Mars. This picture is almost imaginary village in a Mars, but I didn't know because Mars is too far to be go, and the Mars gravity is weaker than the Earth. So when we live in a Mars, our muscle can be weak, and when we live in a Mars, I think we must get many radiation. Alien. Some people say alien is real, but some people say alien is fake. But I think alien is real. The Earth is in the Goldilocks zone. Goldilocks zone is just not too hot and not too cold. This zone is too hot and this zone is too cold. In the middle of that, it is the Goldilocks zone. So I think alien is real. To the space, we are so small, so don't be arrogant. Thank you.
자, 잠시만요. 그러면은 선생님이 원래 중간에 질문을 하려고 그랬는데 타이밍을 많이 놓쳤네. 그래서 자, 한 명씩 돌아가면서 질문을 좀 해볼게요. 자, 이거 Jian,
Yeah.
how are you today?
Oh, sad.
Oh, sad. It's just not bad, just sad. Why?
Uh, 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 English because we do
Open class?
class.
Oh, but that can make you proud of yourself, not sad. All right. So change your mind. How many bones do adults have in their body?
Other
Yeah.
206 bones.
But how come it become less than the bones of the number of bones of the baby? What happened?
Many pieces of the bone joined together.
Does it actually join when they're separated when they're baby? What happened actually? Do you know?
Huh?
What happened? Are they separated when they're baby? The baby's bones are like more than 300 bones, right? It has more numbers. But how come do they join together? What does that? No, I have no idea. Cartilage, osteoporosis, and what's the arthritis, and those kind of osteo something. Those there's a frame actually, the lattice, and mineral lattice they fill inside. You understand? Have you watched TED video
Ted and the
presentation?
because I don't have porn.
No, that can't be excused. Maybe you didn't watch it because you're
I didn't-
lazy or something.
Yeah.
So please next time watch and study more about it. So actually the bone, it makes the connected each other, not the separated bone stick each other. One between male hip bone, which one is bigger?
Women's hip bone is bigger.
Yeah, why?